Hello world. In this video we're going to do some grilling, hiking, some gaming, and some boating. So here we are at Loud Thunder Forest Preserve. We just rolled in, got to our site. We'll be setting up camp. It's real hot, so our priority is going to be finding shade and drinking plenty of water. Brought the truck on this trip, and one nice thing about truck camping is all the stuff that we can bring, and we brought a ton of stuff. Alright, let's get camp set up.
A ton of stuff. I'm gonna get a souvenir, Daddy. Is that okay if I take a souvenir, Daddy? A seashell?
I don't know what we're going to do about those. It is so hot. Heat index of 105, but at least it's not raining and there isn't any bugs. Didn't do a whole lot today. After we set up camp, we went and checked out a park, and we went and checked out the Mississippi River. It was a nice breeze down there and it was shaded. The spot we're in now, not shaded at all. Really hoping it'll cool down once the sun goes down. A little bit later, we're going to have some steaks from Haddy Farms. Here, you want to use that knife?
Is it gonna be shady at all? Because we're losing shade.
It'll get shady soon, when the moon comes out. So we finally got a little bit of shade now that it's getting into evening. We just finished up our steak supper from steaks from Haddy Farms. Now we're going to play some Exploding Kittens. So for breakfast today, we're going to have a multi-grain cereal. It's more like an oatmeal, but it has a lot more than just oats in it. It's by Wise Company. I got a pretty good deal on a box of this stuff, different meals, and it's more of emergency preparation meals than it is camping meals. We had it last month, and they were pretty good. My daughter liked it much better than my son. So behind me is Lake George. We just got done boating on it for a couple hours. So one really cool thing about Loud Thunder is they have boat rentals. They have a variety of boats. We rented a mini pontoon, which was super fun. Now our campsite is full sun right now, and it's still over 100 degrees today. So we drove around until we found this nice picnic area. It's nice shaded and there's a breeze. So for lunch today we're having, Velveeta shells and cheese. And I'm having muscle mac. I got a GNC, it's just got 20 grams of protein added to it. And if we feel like it, we're gonna have ice cream sandwich and cheesecake bites for dessert after our lunch. Both kids got these for Christmas last year. Well, we did a much better job at avoiding the heat today. We spent most of our day at a picnic area that was right off the lake. There's a nice breeze. We did a little hiking and played some board games, and then played some more board games. And later tonight, more board games. And if we're lucky, thunderstorm tonight. Yeah.
Guess what my username for Mr. Sam is 2 is? I ordered a sandwich. That was fun. Is it filming?
Huh?
Is it filming?
How was it? Good?
So it's a burger.
Well, might as well see what I got here. Oh! Your turn, Emma. So our adventure's about over. As soon as my daughter gets up, we'll have breakfast. Just got some cereal and powdered milk. And then we'll head out of here. And hopefully beat the next set of showers that are coming in. It did rain a little bit last night. A lot of lightning and thunder, but really only sprinkled here. So this is another spot I found through this book, The Best Tent Camp in Illinois. I also found out that there's a newer version of this book that I had to pick up. The version I have, some of the information was a little outdated. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. For more information, check out lost13.com.
Please like and subscribe.